Have you ever wondered what's happening in a single drop of water? A whole world is swirling in there. It is a universe too small for our eyes to see. But we have a special tool that lets us visit. It's called a microscope. Microscopes are like magic windows. They take tiny invisible things and make them big and clear. They let us see the building blocks of life itself, from the hair on your head to the dust on your shelf. A hidden dimension is waiting to be explored. Understanding how to use this tool correctly opens that secret world to everyone. The world we see is just one layer. Microscopes help us peel back the rest. Prepare to be amazed. Not all microscopes are the same. Think of them like vehicles. Some are simple, like a bicycle. Others are powerful and complex, like a rocket ship. There are three main types you should know about: simple, compound, and electron, side by side. First, the simple microscope. It's basically a strong magnifying glass, one lens to make things bigger. Great for details on a flower petal or the fuzzy legs of a beetle. Next, the compound microscope. Compound means multiple lenses, an eyepiece and objective lenses working together. Together, they can magnify hundreds of times. This is what we use to see bacteria, blood cells, and tiny pond creatures. The powerhouse, the electron microscope. It uses electrons, not light, to create ultra-detailed images. Magnification in the millions, for viruses and inner cell parts. To use a tool properly, you first need to know its parts. Think of it like a little tower designed for seeing. At the top is the eyepiece, or ocular lens, usually 10 times magnification. The body tube connects the eyepiece to the lenses below. This is the revolving nosepiece. It holds objective lenses, 4x, 10x, and 40x. Low power is a wide view, like a whole map. High power is extreme detail, like one street. Eyepiece times objective equals total magnification. The stage is the flat platform where you place the slide. Clips hold it securely. Below is the light source, shining through the specimen. The diaphragm controls how much light gets through. Two focus knobs, coarse for big moves, fine for tiny adjustments. Carry by the arm. The base keeps everything stable. Okay, you know the parts. Now it's time to use the microscope. Always carry with two hands, one on the arm, one under the base. Set it on a flat table and clean lenses with lens paper. Dust and fingerprints look like monsters under magnification. Add a drop or thin slice to a slide and cover it with a cover slip. Place the slide, secure the clips, and turn on the light. Start on the lowest power, 4x. Look through the eyepiece and keep both eyes open. Use the coarse knob to bring the specimen into view. It may be blurry. Once you see it, stop coarse focus. Use only the fine knob. Gently fine-tune until the image is sharp. Switch to 10x. Refine with the fine knob. Adjust the diaphragm. Sometimes less light shows more detail. Finish by returning to low power, removing the slide, and putting the microscope away. We've learned what microscopes are and how to use them. But why is this so important? Microscopes don't just make small things bigger. They make our understanding bigger. They're tools of discovery that changed our world. In medicine, microscopes help identify bacteria and viruses, diagnose disease, and guide life-saving treatments. They protect water, reveal Earth's history, and analyze evidence. Even our food is safer thanks to microscopes. Seeing a real living cell makes science tangible, exciting, and real. It teaches patience, careful observation, and curiosity. These tools bridge the gap between what we see and what we imagine. In every drop, on every leaf, within every living being, there's an intricate universe. The microscope is a key to unlock those secrets. Find a microscope and start exploring. A whole new world is waiting. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for all notifications.